Yung isa pang argument ni Congresswoman Swansing, sabi niya hindi daw nahabol yung papeles or mga contracts for foreign assisted projects. Kaya nag-allocate sila ng unprogrammed na nasa mga over 97 billion, which is the bulk of the 240 plus billion.
Well, this is really unbelievable, Sean? Kasi marami sa mga proyekto na to ay matagal I'm just looking now at the list of these projects. For example, yung LRT Line 1 Cavite Extension. Bata pa lang ako ay may ganyan ng
At paano hindi na ihabol yun? Talaga naman.
Yung MRT Line 4, okay? Bataan Cavite Interlink Bridge Project, Cebu Mactan. So in other words, it has been years since these projects have been approved by past administrations, and it's really impossible for them to say na hindi nakahabol. Kasi in fact, if you look at the previous budgets, nandito na rin, parang they're copy-pasting the same list of projects from one budget to the next. So it's really quite unbelievable yung ganong klaseng statement.